The past continuous tense is a crucial aspect of English grammar that allows us to describe actions that were in progress at a specific point in the past. In architecture, this tense can be used to vividly paint a picture of how buildings were being developed or constructed at a certain period in history. By using the past continuous tense, we can transport ourselves back in time and visualize the various stages of building developments. Let's take a look at some illustrative examples of how the past continuous tense can be applied in architecture. 1. The architects were designing the blueprint for the new skyscraper while the construction workers were pouring the foundation. This sentence describes a moment in the past when both the design and construction of a skyscraper were simultaneously taking place. 2. Workers were welding steel beams together as the crane was lifting them into place. This example highlights the coordination and teamwork involved in the construction process, with multiple activities happening at the same time. 3. The builders were installing the windows while the painters were applying a fresh coat of paint to the exterior of the building. This sentence showcases the different tasks being carried out in the final stages of a building project. 4. The architects were finalizing the floor plans as the builders were laying down the bricks for the foundation. This example demonstrates the collaboration between architects and builders to ensure the successful completion of a project. 5. Construction workers were pouring concrete for the columns while engineers were inspecting the structural integrity of the building. This sentence emphasizes the importance of quality control and safety checks during the construction process. By using the past continuous tense in architecture, we can provide a detailed and immersive narrative of how buildings were developed and constructed in the past. This tense allows us to create a visual timeline of the various stages of a building project, from the initial design to the final touches. So, the next time you visit